Today, I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly to Facebook. This integration allows you to track conversions and gather valuable data about your scheduling activity through Metapixel, which can be incredibly useful for optimizing your marketing campaigns and understanding your audience better. First, open your browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, log into your Calendly account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has the necessary permissions to manage integrations, as this feature typically requires admin access. After logging in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Integrations and Apps. This section houses all the available integrations that Calendly offers, allowing you to connect with various third-party tools and platforms to enhance your scheduling workflow. Once you're in the Integrations and Apps section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type Facebook into this search field. From the results that appear, locate and click on Metapixel. This is the specific integration tool that enables the connection between your Calendly events and your Facebook advertising account. After selecting Metapixel, you'll see a button that says Go to Setup. Click on it to begin the configuration process. At this point, Calendly will prompt you to enter your Pixel ID, which is a unique identifier for your Facebook tracking pixel. To find this ID, you'll need to switch over to your Meta account. Open a new tab and navigate to your Meta business account. Once you're logged in, look at the left side navigation panel and click on All Tools. This will expand a comprehensive menu showing all the available features and management options within your Meta account. From this extensive list of tools, find and click on Events Manager. The Events Manager is where all your tracking pixels and conversion events are housed, making it the central hub for monitoring how users interact with your business across different platforms. Now within the Events Manager interface, direct your attention to the left side panel once more and click on Datasets. This section displays all the tracking pixels associated with your account. Here, you'll be able to see your pixel ID clearly listed. It's typically a string of numbers that uniquely identifies your specific pixel. Go ahead and copy this pixel ID. You can do this by highlighting the number and using your keyboard shortcut or right-clicking and selecting Copy. Once you've copied it, switch back to the Calendly tab where you left off during the setup process. In the ID field that's waiting for your input, paste the pixel ID you just copied from Meta. Make sure the entire ID is pasted correctly without any extra spaces or missing digits, as accuracy here is crucial for the integration to function properly. Finally, click the Save button to complete the connection. Calendly will now be linked to your Facebook Metapixel, enabling you to track scheduling events and gather insights about your audience behavior. And there you have it, you've successfully connected Calendly to Facebook through Metapixel, allowing you to leverage powerful tracking and analytics for your scheduling activities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.